Directorate of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution (CAF) and PD, Government of Manipur has issued a circular regarding the advanced listing and distribution of food grains under the National Food Security Act, in short Nfsa, to beneficiaries for the months of August, September and October 2026. The circular has been issued with a letter from the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. According to the circular, all concerned district authorities have been directed to ensure advance lifting of rice allocated under Nfsa for the months of August, September and October 2026. They have been instructed to complete its lifting and distribution on or before August 31st, 2026. The district authorities have been directed to submit the required indent immediately to facilitate timely release and lifting of stocks. The circular further requests all Nfsa beneficiaries to collect their entitled ration for the months of August, September and October 2026 in advance from their respective fair price shops. Further, the Food Corporation of India (FCI) Imphal has been instructed to ensure adequate availability of rice stocks at all depots for advance lifting. It has also been asked to coordinate with district authorities for smooth lifting operations and make adequate labor and loading arrangements for timely lifting of food grains. The circular further directed all district authorities to closely monitor the advance lifting and distribution process. It stated that they must ensure that no eligible beneficiary is deprived of entitled food grains. The district authorities have also been asked to submit the advance lifting and distribution progress reports on a regular basis. They have been directed to inform Directorate of CAF and PD on any issues that it require intervention.